It's January 10th, 2021, and it's snowing. This is the first time in years in Texas that it snowed, and I'm really sad because my mom can't experience it with me right now because she has COVID and she's in the ER resting, or she has like a hospital room right now, and she's staying in there, somewhere in like this building, somewhere there. Yeah. So yeah, but I'm outside right now. I'm the only one in my household that doesn't have COVID, but I might be coming up with something because I've been coughing and I have like a really big headache and everything. But this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. This is my neighbor's house and it looks really nice. I'm not gonna show my house because yeah. So I don't know what to do out here. This is my outfit from Brandy Melville. I'm wearing another jacket under here from Brandy. It's the gray one, but the cropped top version. I'm wearing Brandy Melville sweatpants and then Doc Martens as my shoes because it's snowing, so I thought this would be durable for this time. My hands are really cold, so I might go in, but I was about to make TikToks, but then my aunt called me and told me to make a video for her YouTube channel. So yes, I hope everyone has a great January. So I hope you get this panini.